Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a missed payment with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you've missed a payment with Bank of America, don't worry. You can recover from it with a few straightforward steps. First, check your account balance to understand how much you owe. Log into your Bank of America online account or mobile app. Locate the section that outlines your recent transactions and payment history. Identify the missed payment and any associated fees. Next, review your payment due dates and terms. This will help you understand why the missed payment occurred. Then, consider setting up autopay for future bills. This can help prevent missed payments going forward. After that, it's time to make the missed payment. You can do this through the online portal or mobile app. Select the missed payment from your account balance and choose the payment option. If you send a check, ensure it's mailed to the correct address promptly. Once you've made the payment, check your account again to confirm it has been processed. If your account was negatively impacted, reach out to customer service. Call the number on the back of your card or visit the Bank of America website for assistance. Explain your situation clearly and politely request a reconsideration of any late fees. Bank representatives may provide options to waive certain fees, especially if this is your first missed payment. To keep your credit score healthy, monitor your credit report regularly. This will help you track any changes or impacts from missed payments. Finally, implement a budgeting strategy to help manage future payments effectively. Staying organized can significantly reduce the chances of missing payments again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.